Got the 440. Yeah. Oh! Sheesh! No, that shit sounds crazy, bro. Boy got the 440i Gen 1 V58. Front mount intake. Dude, this shit's crazy, bro. Oh, shit. Hey, you think that's a snack or not? Oh! Oh, shit. Yo, that overarm wrap is crazy, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, hell yeah, bro. Dude, he smiled.
He's avoiding eye contact.
Bro, he smiled, bro. Oh, shit. Alright, guys. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I just got out of my school. Oh, what happened right there? Man, messing up my intro, man. But hey guys, we're picking up a mid-pipe today, and I got my boys coming over right now, meeting me over here in Fullerton. I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start, I guess. I wouldn't really say it's a cold start. I mean, yeah, the car's been sitting here for like 4 or 5 hours now. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little quick cold start just to see how the car sounds before. It's actually not that bad, I'm not gonna lie. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why BMW designed it like this. I guess I heard that it's probably for aerodynamic, but look at my rear fitment, man. It's actually not bad at all, but look at my front. It's like a monster truck fitment. Jeez. Sheesh. Always pulling in hot, bro. Oh, fresh off of work? We got another one over here. Oh, fresh off of work? Oh my goodness. Darius needs to chill. Darius needs to chill. This man's on fire, man. Oh my goodness, man. This man burbling everywhere, man. Look at him. Look at him. He burbling everywhere, man. DJ needs to chill. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, man. Alright guys, I don't know why, I'm getting a little bit of buyer's regret right now, dude. Did you ever get that when you bought all of your carbon pieces or not? Dude, I don't know why, I kind of don't want to spend it right now. I think the D Jones is coming, man.
With no hubs.
With no hubs, bro.
Failed the 10.
Dude.
Gone wrong.
There he is, bro. Look at him, and everyone's gonna start looking at us. Alright guys, bag secure. We got the active AutoWorks mid-pipe. Equal length, just cause, bro, equal length sounds the best. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Got the whole crew lined up over here, bro.
It might be free.
Dude, look at this, bro. On super rims.
I think it's like 750.
Oh my goodness. On a drag pack. You guys, bag secured. Right now, we're finna go take some photos, get something to eat with all the homies. I'm glad all my homies pulled up, bro. I'm so... Just made me realize how blessed I am, man. Just have homies to kick it whenever. Sheesh. Look at this lineup, man. Oh my goodness, man. Oh my god, man. What the fuck, man? Holy. Look at everyone else's parking. Look at my parking. Yo, Asian can't drive.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, so it's been about like a week or two now ever since I got the exhaust. As you can see, I got my rims back. Me and my boy, we did switch rims, but we did switch it back. Haven't had the time to actually, put the exhaust on just because of school. I had midterm. Man, I'm telling you, college is no joke. You actually gotta lock in for that. But you guys, we got the active AutoWorks equal length mid pipe. I also got an exhaust cutter right here. So, and you do need to cut the original exhaust. So I'm gonna watch a video on how to do this. Oh, fake M. Fake M? Okay. Oh boy, got the paint match shirt too. Okay. No, paint match shirt, paint match pants. Sheesh, bro, the rear diffuser, bro, looks so much better.
You need one.
I know I need one. I need to hide that big ass muffler that I got in the back, bro. Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, chill! Yo, chill! All right, guys. Finally got the car on jack stand, bro. Hey, jack stand, wheel stand, tire stand. All right, guys. Do not do this at home. I know everyone in the comments is gonna clown me, but I don't care because your boy's broke, and your boy can't afford 2 more jack stands because I only got 2. But yeah, guys.
I felt like I had 2 more at home, guys.
Oh yeah, bro.
They asked before, guys.
Dude, oh my. Alright. These should be easy with the impact. I'm so glad we got these. Ah, damn, this shit actually pierced my ears. Dude, holy shit. Wait, is this shit gonna drop on me?
Oh.
Man, look at this dude!
And there's hangers back here, too.
Shots fired! Take cover! Cover fire! Alright guys, turns out the exhaust cutter does not work. It sucks. Do not get this if you're installing a mid-pipe. Grab yourself one of these. What is this even called? A saw? Oh, a saw. First try. Oh. Damn. 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 Dude, how will we even do this? Fuck. My goodness, bro, dude, this was the most scary experience. Guys, bro, you have no idea. I know you guys in the comments saying Nady Wadey is a fucking bitch. But no, bro, it's because I never used this before, bro. My first time ever really working on a car. Not a car, but you know. First time ever working on Beamer, bro. That's my main
fuck.
Oh, shit. A little bigger. I'll put these in here because I'm gonna need that later. Nope. Yep. Ah, you have any WD-40?
Actually, I do.
Oh my goodness. Bro, guys, bro. The exhaust was so hard to take off from that end. Like, we literally cut everything. But it was super hard to, like, pull it down. And dude, it literally took us like 30 minutes. As soon as I moved it a little bit, that shit just dropped on Steven, bro. Dude, are you good, bro?
My leg is still calf.
My leg. My leg.
6.5 hours later.
Oh yeah.